Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to share with you this Integrity Toys gift set called Ginger and Cinnamon Holiday at Home, Ginger Gilroy. She comes in this beautiful window box that we all know is part of Poppy Parker. And here comes the best part, opening it and revealing its content. As you can see, she comes with her pet companion Cinnamon, a record player, and some Christmas-inspired vinyl records. Now, let's see some more goodies. An extra pair of hands, a hot cocoa mug, beautiful jewelry, record player legs, and a pair of mules. Now, one of my struggles, getting her out of the box. I've always struggled with the ribbon that holds her in place. For some reason, I find it very difficult to unravel it. And now we will be able to see some of the accessories that comes with her. Her Poppy Parker base. The vinyl records are very cute and resemble vintage Christmas records. The record player is very well made and looks realistic. So tell me, doesn't this look good? I just love the way everything looks. This hot cocoa mug is the cutest. And just to know that inside they have some marshmallows is just so great. And we all know that it's not Christmas without custom jewels. This record player is just amazing. The little handle, the little clasp, the way you can close it up, it's just wonderful. So I pulled out the little records to see if they're complete, and they are so adorable. And you can always check in the back of them and you will see some names. And one of the things that I noticed that they made it look realistic, like someone actually produced these records. This is wonderful. And here is Cinnamon, Ginger's little companion. It's so cute. And again, here is her base and the stand that she comes with. The attention to detail on this pair of mules is just wonderful. Just look at that. And here are her second pair of hands, and they're very well manicured. Just look at that beautiful face. The makeup is wonderful. The red of her hair. She just looks stunning. And of course, a classic outfit, a very 60s outfit with a crop top, some capri pants. I just love it. Now, let's assemble the record player. Unfortunately, I lost the footage for putting the jewelry on Poppy Parker. Sorry about that. And of course, we cannot forget her certificate of authenticity. I added this extra little guy just because I was not sure about Cinnamon. This one is cute too. I just love this gift set. It's very beautiful, very holiday inspired, and it just wants to, sit down, relax, have some cocoa, listen to some music, put on your records, and enjoy the holidays. And if you've gotten this far, remember, always share, like, and subscribe. I wish you everyone happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, and a Happy New Year.